I start thinking about government. Are there any government loans that you can utilize to buy property with no money down, and not even no money down, get cash at closing?
Yes. I'll give you one right example. And then what I'd love to do is jump to our 2-tier level affiliate program for your viewers to make a lot of money.
Okay.
A lot of money. All right. There's something called an SBA 504. An SBA 504 loan is fantastic. It's a 50-40 split. The government and the bank split the liability. The bank gives the full loan, and it's designed for 90% down and 10% at closing. Now, people talk about, can you do cross collateral? Do you have to have the cash? Here's an example, Randolph, where 3 banks can change everything. A conservative bank can say the client has to have a 700 credit score or we won't touch them. And they have to have the reserves for 6 months or longer of 10% that we have to see. They can't borrow the money or we don't give them the loan. Then you can go to a moderate bank of flexibility. And they'll say, you know what? If his credit is above a 660 or 670 and the appraisal checks out, we'll give him, because we're guaranteed half the loan, we can't lose, we're going to give him a second on the mortgage of the 10%. He can come back in with no money down. Now, the real flexible bank, which is exactly what you touched on so brilliantly, which is huge, is getting money back at closing. What you need to have that done is you need to have something called seller financing. So if the seller says, I'll take 30% down, you come in and you say, Mr. Seller, I'll give you a better deal. How about I give you 50% down?